How to buy Temu gift card online. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Temu is up to date. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open the app. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is, in the search bar, search for gift card. Once you have searched for it, tons of Temu gift cards will be visible to you. Select any of the gift card that you want to buy. Let me select this one, tap on it. Now select the quantity that you would like to order and then tap on Add to Cart at the bottom. Now head over to Go to Cart. Select the gift card and then tap on Checkout at the bottom of the screen. Now click on Submit Order. You have to select the payment method. Enter the number of your card, expiration date, CVV number, and then after that, select the billing address and click on Submit Order at the bottom of the screen. Your order will be placed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can buy Temu gift card. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.